Kindly look into it. Oral disease, tooth stain, tooth decay, gum weakness and gum bleeding, tooth cavity, gingivitis. Stage 1. Oral disease, tooth stain and yellow tooth. Eating or drinking red wine, coffee, blueberry tea. Stage 2. Oral disease, tooth decay. Tooth decay caused due to be bad bacteria and lack oral hygiene. Stage 3. Oral disease, gum weakness. Stage 4. Oral disease, gum bleeding. Stage 4. Oral disease, tooth cavity. Tooth cavity, permanently damaged areas in teeth that develop into tiny holes. Stage 5. Oral disease, gingivitis. Gingivitis caused due to smoking or chewing tobacco, genetics. Stage 6. Oral disease, periodontitis. Plaque bacteria is a main reason for all types dental diseases. Plaque bacteria slowly deposits in the teeth and makes the teeth stained or yellow teeth. Plaque bacteria damages gum and makes hole on the teeth, that is cavity. If you neglect to protect your teeth in this stage 2, it will lead to gingivity. Gingivity is the problem which makes the gum weak and gum bleeding. If you untreat gingivitis, it can progress to periodontitis. This is serious and lead to loss of teeth. Explanation. Unhygienic oral health may lead to dangerous disease. Kindly look into it.
Contains millions of bacteria. Evidence linking gum disease and heart disease. Oral bacteria can be absorbed into the bloodstream via inflamed gums and travel to other parts of the body. This may contribute to tiny clots or inflammation in the blood vessels that leads to cardiovascular disease.
Explanation. Why toothpaste doesn't work against plaque bacteria.
The main ingredient of toothpaste is fluoride, sodium lauryl sulfate, sodium saccharin. Now let's see why toothpaste does not control tooth diseases. Because fluoride is effective at reducing tooth cavities by only 20 to 30%. Sodium lauryl sulfate is a chemical which is largely responsible for the foam created in the toothpaste. The same sodium lauryl sulfate used in the shampoos as well for foaming. Sodium saccharin is sweet. This is main reason for the toothpaste to be palatable and tasting. And for good smell, some other chemicals are used in the toothpaste. Thus, 70% of the ingredients of the toothpaste are not effective against plaque bacteria.
Simple solution for all types of dental problems. Dawson Dental Drop has 18 herbs. Vidam coconut oil, mustard oil, Sainthav Namikku. Toothpaste budget plus side effects. Same toothpaste budget plus highly effective against bacteria and stain. Since toothpaste has some side effect and only 30% effective against plaque bacteria, please reduce 50% of your toothpaste and use 3 drops of Dawson Dental Drop to become effective one. Please apply directly even 4 or 5 drop of Dawson Dental Drop. If you suffer from unbearable toothpaste gingivitis and periodontitis, Dawson Dental Drop can be used as a mouthwash as well. Please use 3 or 4 drops of Dawson Dental Drops with 10 ml water and gargle it for few minutes for better result. Dawson Dental Drops will save your teeth even till age of 80. Dawson Dental Drops at present available in Flipkart. Very soon it will be available in all e-commerce companies. Dawson Dental Drop. Price is just 39 rupees.